Okay, we're gonna do one of these 1980, 81 O-Pee-Chee pack. I took the plunge and grabbed a couple of these from a market that I went to. It looks fine. It's always hard to tell, but it looks okay. There's a little bit of warpage, which is probably normal. So I'm gonna open that in a second. First, I got these two just in a random Raz, like as part of a package. And I got one of these 1990-91. So let's start with the 92-93 and see if we can get a Gretzky reprint. Oh, it's a Sakic reprint. It's not too horrible. Other than that, I think these are not great. Yep, quickly go through those. Now let's do this Canada Cup pack. I've never opened this before. Have no idea what to expect. Is there autographs or anything in here? I don't know. Let's find out. I think they're all stuck. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah. Pretty stuck. There's a Daryl Sittler. Not sure who that is. Is that? Oh, Bobby Hull. Just random 1972 Summit Series cards. Nothing crazy, but they are really stuck, man. And the last card, just whatever, random. Okay. Donation pile. Now, 1990-91. You get one of those Russian cards in every pack, I guess. That one is Konstantinov. I think that's technically a rookie card. We're hoping for Gretzky. There's a Brindamore rookie. Little off center. Okay. All right, now we're going to slow play this one a little bit. We're hoping for any of the 6 Gretzkys, especially number 250. Bourque, Messier, rookie card. Those are the biggest, most desirable cards. I can see there's a checklist on the top here, right off the bat. I'm hoping these aren't really stuck. Okay, a little bit of mold, which is not great. Let's take the bottom card off with the gum. It's a goalie. It's actually not bad at all. A little bit of mold or something there. These wrappers are always cool. I'll try to not wreck it when I open it. So we have a pretty nice checklist there. It's got some gum or wax on it. You can take that off. Okay, we have Peter Lee, if I can get back in focus here. We have Mario Tremblay. So I can't remember the color of the Gretzky border, but I think the Bourque border is yellow. No, it is Glenn Goldip. Another king coming up, Steve Jensen. There's a Canadian, Gaston Gingras. There's a Greg Jolly. So the cards look, other than a little bit of warpage, which you can fix, they look great. There's Greg Jolly. There's Pierre Bouchard, upside down. George Lyle. I don't think we're going to get anything good. Nope. Mark Lofthouse and Dennis Kearns. So we got basically an unmarked checklist, obviously, and not much else. It is in good shape minus the gum, but I'm going to get rid of that. Okay. So stay tuned. We're going to do all these other ones that I have here. I have the Gretzky pack, Tops, the O-Pee-Chee Bossy pack, and another 1980 pack. All right.